Alright, hey everyone, and welcome back to another Edith Noble video. In this week's video, I'm doing an art tutorial that I'm really excited about. It's a really fun, easy painting tutorial. It's this cool thing, I think it's called like 15 strings painting or something like that. But it's really cool and really easy. It's this little painting that you can do on paper or a canvas where you put 15 strings down on the paper and then put paint in between the strings in this specific order and then pull the strings across with, I use a chopstick, and then it makes this really cool effect. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. It's really easy. I think like basically anyone could do it. There's no real way to mess it up except if you like drag the string wrong or wait for it to dry. Other than that, it's pretty easy. So yeah, my family has done it before and it was really fun. Everyone enjoyed it. So let's get into the tutorial. So first for the supplies, you're gonna want scissors and also a chopstick or stick, which sounds really weird, but it'll make sense later. And also yarn or string. You're also going to need paint, specifically white paint and 7 other colors. And I have this canvas from Artist Loft, but paper also works. And what I'm doing first is I'm taking the yarn and just cutting out 15 pieces that are a little bit longer than my canvas on both sides that I will then lay across the canvas. So now I'm just laying my yarn across the canvas, and you can do this horizontally or vertically or diagonally, however you want. Just make sure that there's the same amount of space in between all of them. And I put them rather farther to one side than the other, so you might want to do that as well. And now I'm just picking out 7 colors other than white. And now I'm taking my white paint and I'm putting it in between every other string. And you're going to want to put all of the paint pretty thick, but also make sure that you're starting with the white paint on the inside of the string that you put closest to the side of the canvas. And now I'm just taking each of my colors that I picked out, and I chose rainbow colors in rainbow order, but you can do it whatever order and whatever colors you want. And I'm just putting paint in between any of the strings that don't have paint in between them. So you'll end up having 7 colors of paint in 7 different slots, or whatever you want to call them. And make sure that you don't put any paint on the outside of any strings. So on the 2 ends, don't put them on the outside of the strings. So you'll end up with 14 different stripes of paint, and 7 of them will be colors and 7 of them will be white. And now for the moment of truth, you're going to take your chopstick or stick and put it in the middle of the last string on the end of your canvas, and then you're going to drag it through all of the colors so that you kind of collect the strings as you go. And you don't have to press down too hard with the chopstick, and it'll have this really cool color mixing effect. And just be warned, the paint will take a while to dry because of how thick it is and how much there is. That's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope your painting turned out good, and it was fun. I think little like easy de-stressor paintings like this are always really nice. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and comment below any other tutorials you want, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. What a wonderful